Steam Whistle won a gold award in the Paperboard category for a 4-can pack and silver award in the decorated corrugated fiberboard category for the wall-mounted bottle opener packaging. We would like to make a special acknowledgement of Elton Clemente and Sean Zaffino, our brilliant designers, and of Chris Johnston, who works so hard with our suppliers to come up with this innovative packaging. To enjoy this great Pilsner, visit the Bar with No Name, 1651 Bloor Street, West Toronto, www.thebarwithnoname.ca. Come on in and have a Steam Whistle Pilsner.